Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here with another video to show you how you can download YNBA app on your Android smartphone. YNBA is an application that can help you to teach how to use your money more efficiently and control your spending and saving. So to download the application, first of all you need to make sure your mobile device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection and then go on to Play Store. And once you open Play Store, go into the search bar and just type in YNBA. As you can see, there are many results. Just tap on YNBA Finance. Now, once you click on install, the application will be installed on your mobile device. Depending upon the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, this application will be installed on your phone in a given amount of time. As you can see, now the application has been installed on my mobile device. Now you can open the app and use its many features to help you in your journey to control and use your money efficiently. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you liked our video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell for more notifications. And also, please do comment down on our videos for more reviews and more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.